What am I supposed to do with my estate plan if I have my own children and my spouse has children from a prior relationship? Well, the answer is it really depends on what your goals are. Effective estate planning is going to contemplate that deeply. How do we want to benefit our own children versus our stepchildren? How do we want to benefit our spouse if they survive us instead of or in addition to our own kids? This is what we refer to as blended family planning. We don't have the stereotypical nuclear family, and so there's different and more complex planning, issues or layers. Very common scenarios for blended family planning is the creation of really one of three strategies. One is that you just give everything to your spouse and then trust that they're going to do the right thing by giving it back to your own kids after you're gone. That doesn't have a lot of certainty to it, and we're relying very heavily in the surviving spouse doing the right thing. The second is that you actually create separate estate plans that benefit each other very intentionally. This would often involve the use of separate revocable trusts that provide for a benefit to the surviving spouse for things like income and discretionary support, but gives the remainder benefit to your own children. Your spouse will do the same for their own children. And the third is kind of a hybrid, that you've got some marital money, some marital property that you want to be and stay marital. Whoever the surviving spouse is gets it, and they can determine what they want to do with it. But you've got your own separate elements too, sidecar trusts, right? Separate individual disposition. It could be on beneficiary designations directly or through a separate trust that only benefits your own kids. That makes sure that at your death, no matter what, some portion of your estate will go to your own children and they cannot inadvertently be disinherited.